Okay, Friday, August 26th, I bought some NVDA 177.50 puts at 682, and they're actually moving. I bought it here at the blue line. After this whole opening, I had the bias to the downside. Then the Federal Reserve was speaking. I was kind of watching it here. It looked like we had a hammer to the upside, but then that failed to reach that first bar high, and then we started lower again. So to me, the overall trend was right where the opening was kind of taking us to the downside once this red bar formed. Bought some puts, we're heading lower. Looks like, in terms of yesterday, that was just a broadening action to the upside. Clearly, we're heading below the midpoint of that day, down to the bottom of this range. We'll see if we can get a 2-down day. It's really an inside day at the moment, but definitely very weak on the opening price action here, continuing lower. So there should be good opportunity to scale out near the lower end of this range, see if we end up, with an inside day, or if we can get a 2-down day. This week is now turned red again, heading lower towards its targets, which is in the 167 area. That's 5 points lower, so we'll see if we get there. We have all day, today to really take out this low and get there. We'll see what happens. Again, a very weak start. And then just a little bit of volatility here that I wanted to see how it would react to the Federal Reserve once we saw the red bar happening. Then we just got to play, what today's bringing us. So far heading lower, and the options nicely up to 810 now. Got those at 682. So they're up, close to 1.5. We're getting there. So good trade so far. NVIDIA heading lower, but again, I'm gonna, there'll be an opportunity. At least you could take gains now. You'll see really this is a tricky, this is such a strong opening from yesterday. There'll be some buying coming in here, I would think. But for now, we'll head somewhere down into here, I'm sure, before we get a pause, and that should allow us to, take some nice profits on the trade and then go from there.